Hello and marhaba. In this playlist, we're gonna learn Arabic numbers, not just the digits, but also how to count and other topics related to Arabic numbers. If you want me to explain anything related to Arabic numbers, then mention it in the comments. You've probably seen this set of digits that everybody calls Arabic numbers. Yet it's actually this set of digits that are actually Arabic numbers or Arabic numerals as they're called. Now, when did the Arabs start using this set of numerals instead of the Arabic numbers? Arabic numerals? I couldn't find a reliable resource to tell me when or why that happened. If you know the answer or have a reliable resource, then please mention that in the comments. Also, where did this set of numerals come from? I don't know. And I couldn't find a reliable source to answer this question also. Though some people say they came from India. Again, if you know the answer or have a reliable resource for that, then mention them in the comments. Now, both sets do look different. They look different. But with practice, you can learn the set called Arabic numbers. Take a screenshot and try to memorize them for now. You can connect them together. For example, the 0, which looks like a circle or an oval, kept shrinking until it became a dot in the second set. The 1 looks almost the same, like a stick. The 9s, both in both sets, looks close, kind of close. The 2 looks like it was flipped and lost the bottom line, and so on. Again, with practice, you'll memorize them well. If you have any questions or thoughts, don't hesitate to comment below. See you in the next video.